Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. It's been a while. I see the weeds are pretty high, so I'll need to just keep an eye out for that, and also where to land. I'll have to land here. So I haven't flown this in some time, so I'm sure it'll take a few minutes to acquire some GPSs. And then we'll give it, oh look, there already, yeah, wow. So let's rotate it and have a look. Okay, all good. Let's make sure we put the canopy on nicely, because that's always a bit of a drama here. There we go. Let me check that my radio is set up correctly. ATI GPS, return to home. So we'll fly in ATI mode as usual. So we've got the H-Ace installed there. This one has been good from the get-go. Do I want my glasses on or off? I think we'll have them on, nice and clear. So here we go. I've forgotten how this works. 1, 2, 3, and run. There we go. So I haven't flown this in quite some time. So let's hope I remember how this all works. We are in ATI mode. It's my preferred method. Let's flick it to GPS and have a look. There's GPS. Seems nice and solid. So I think we're good to go. I must just keep it at a height here, because we have some low-hanging fruit, weeds I should say. Let's see how the ascent is. Does it have that major dead zone, or is it good? Dead zone, and off we go. Yes, it's very inconsistent. So up to 2 meters, I'll give it full up now. Full up, nothing, and there we go. But what I do enjoy on this helicopter is the solid tail lock. I mean, that is really pretty spectacular. I must remember to keep it at a height. Let's try the GPS again. There we go. Seems pretty locked in. We're back to ATI. Now I have had a friend whose helicopter just did a complete invert all on its own. Now an Ace heli cannot, under normal circumstances in ATI or GPS mode, fly inverted. It does have 3D mode, but he was definitely not in 3D mode, and his helicopter just inverted. But I think there was a problem with the tail. For the rest, flies very nice until it crashes. Of course, everything flies nice until it crashes. Very little wind today. So there's Atty, no hands. Let's rotate it. So it's no hands Atty. Okay, drifting away a little bit. Got a fly in my ear, so if I'm shaking my head, I know it has 3D, but I'm too old and ugly to fly in 3D mode. I don't have the brain power to do that. Funnily enough, I fly my quad in 3D mode, but then you're in the pilot seat, you know, your FPV quad. You're in the pilot seat. This is a little bit more different. I wonder if I had an FPV camera in there, would I fly it in 3D mode? Probably. Probably. I haven't flown helis for some time. I've been playing with my quads. So if I had a FPV camera in here, I wonder, as I say, if I could fly this in 3D mode. Now, lots of people have been complaining about the ACE unit. Look, I've had my fair share of troubles. Okay, I'll be honest with that. I've had my fair share of troubles. But for the most part, she seems alright, you know. It's very smooth, but then this helicopter has always been very smooth. So H1 or H-Ace irrespective, this has been my best flying helicopter. And I've always maintained that anybody getting into this hobby, this would be the perfect pick. It not only looks good, it flies well, it's light, it flies a long time. So this is still, I reckon, Flywing's best heli. Look, others will disagree, which is fine. How long will it be going? 8 minutes. Okay, there we go. Look at that. So I'll just pop it into GPS there while I walk there. Look, this will fly 20 minutes, but I want to fly the FPV a bit. So thanks for joining. Sorry I've been a bit quiet. Just been concentrating on other things. Back to Atty. Let's land her. Beautiful Bell 206. Let's try not to hit the weeds. I think there is good. Guys, thanks for joining, and we'll see you soon. Lovely stuff. Wow.